in that ultrasound, we actually saw the extent of movement that this baby's doing. Like movements like crazy.
Yeah.
You know, in some instances, it was kind of difficult to get some of the little measurements because the little baby that's moving up and down.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family.
Wagwan, what's up?
Hey guys, what's up? How y'all doing?
Yeah man, welcome back to the Delpratt family, you know?
Oh, it's a pleasure having you guys here. Now remember, as you come in, give us a thumbs up, alright?
Yeah, just hit the like button, guys.
Yes.
Really appreciate that. It really helps the channel a lot. Alright, so we're just asking for the like button to be, you know?
Remember to turn on your post notifications, right? That way you get all of our videos. You get notified when you post a video, and subscribe, right?
Alright.
So today we'll be doing a pregnancy update video for you guys, and yeah, it's one of those joyful moments where we're able to share our blessings and how we are. But I wanted to do an update video because I know that, like myself, this is my first pregnancy, and a lot of persons also would like to hear what's happening, you know, how is it going and so forth. So this is, we'll be doing an update video together, right?
Yes.
On our experiences. So we'll have different experiences, and gentlemen, we're supposed to have experiences too, not because you guys not carrying the baby. You have to have experiences.
Today I'm with her, and you know, me help her through, so everything what she feel come and me feel it too, you know? And I'm here for the moral support and to give her that strength, you know? Yeah guys, so we're gonna get straight into it.
Yeah. Alright, so the first thing I want to talk about is what most persons, I've always heard persons talking about morning sickness. So they associate morning sickness with pregnancy. So I didn't have a lot of morning sickness.
Yes, give thanks, give thanks.
Yes. What I had was some amount of nausea. So I was nauseous sometimes. Never to the point of vomiting. It's never that severe. It's just discomfort for me, right? Discomfort, and it did make me kind of moody at first because I'm not used to it. I'm a person that doesn't get morning, me no vomit, me no normally have nausea. Like, I'm not told by those things at all.
She said she was moody, but I never really see that. I never really see that.
It wasn't strong. I kind of caught myself. Because I think in the second month was when I started feeling a bit nauseous, and then I find out when I started getting nauseous, I started, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That feeling coming. I remember one day I kind of snapped at you, and then I said to myself, Cass, you wouldn't have normally done that, you know? And then I realized that probably this is what is causing it. So me kind of catch myself early, people. We never get bad.
But generally, she's not the moody type. Alright, she's very normally calm and collected. That's her persona. Alright, so I guess for her general way brought her through the pregnancy where, you know, she never really that moody kind of vibe that a lot of pregnant women have sometimes. She never get it.
Yeah.
And she never bring it off, which is good. You know?
Oh, you know what happened too? I found out that I got more nauseous in the day. I had more nausea in the day when I took the vitamins early. So I started taking them in the night, and that made a world of difference. I know that persons already started asking for a registry in the comment section, so we are definitely working on it, working on posting one. Look in our description section. Yeah, so once we have that up and going, to be there.
Yes.
Anyways, weight gain. So I started this pregnancy journey at 156 pounds, and my last weigh-in I was 167.
157. Okay.
So, girl, we put it on pounds.
156 to
156 to 167. So I've been packing on the pounds.
That's 11 pounds.
Yeah.
That's bad.
I think if for me, I would want to gain as less weight as possible, especially now the baby not really weighing. Baby's like 1 pound now.
Okay.
So I can't blame the baby for all that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I did change my diet, and I think that contributed to me gaining a bit more weight.
Yeah.
So I was doing the keto diet before, and when I got pregnant, I realized that when I ate my keto stuff like my nuts, and some of my steamed veggies and some of that would actually bring on my nausea. So I kind of fell back on eating as much of those as possible.
The nuts and so on.
Yes.
So you're going back to like more like the carbohydrates
so I
and stuff like that.
eating some more carbs, and that I think contributed to me gaining so much weight.
Okay.
Alright. What about acne? So my acne, right?
Yeah.
At the first part of my pregnancy, in the first trimester, I noticed that I had acne like in this section, like increased acne marks and scars and stuff like that. Not blackhead right in the ear. So underneath my chin, all them places. I worked on it got better. But since the second trimester starts, I'm getting melasma, or they call it mask of pregnancy.
Which is our skin gotten a couple of shades darker.
Yeah.
She's a couple of shades darker now. Generally, she get acne around this area.
Yeah. So this is a lot worse. I have acne on my chest,
on
my
arms, and our back too, but not like some big bump with not good, right?
Yeah,
then I like them big or whatever, but they are more them present.
They are
put it
present, and it wasn't there before. So definitely, I have to be changing up my skincare routine to try and help with that, so it doesn't get that bad. Oh, and I have the little mark that comes down the center. We call that linea nigra. I have that now. I have that. I think I had it from like month 3, from like the 3rd month of pregnancy. I was people.
The line from the navel going down. That line, pregnant women most times get it. So she actually have it. I need pretty little dark line going down,
The first time I see people, we're gonna go to Adrian. Baby. The first time I see we're gonna go to Adrian, right?
She proud-eyed.
I was like, babe, look! I'm getting the line!
Yeah.
It's so weird. Some of the things that I shared with Adrian is so funny because I'm like, Adrian must think I'm an idiot. Stretch marks. I haven't been getting much stretch marks.
Again, not good,
Not good. Because I have been doing a lot of moisturizing. There's one area that I've seen some slight stretch marks coming up in, and I started using more moisture there, because I think I was neglecting that area. But it's coming. It's not significant for a person to see, oh my god, you're getting stretch marks, but you know your body, so you start to take care of it from early. So that much I knew. Luckily,
she's the type of person that after she shower, she spend like a whole routine for her. She eye long with her body oil and all of that. So I think her skin have plenty of elasticity because of that. So give thanks for that so far,
You can always tell me I love. You say, oh yeah, I love. So my hair has been growing a lot. So I'm actually taking more care, taking a lot more care of my hair this year. But I'm telling you, since I'm pregnant, I've seen really good hair growth, more than I would have normally. So I'm very thankful for that. I'm trying to milk this and get as much hair growth as possible.
Alright.
Yeah. Urination. Oh, this go babe?
Yeah, she don't normally get up and urinate. But she have been from she pregnant, I think from months.
Yeah, from the first trimester. That was one of the things that for me was just strikingly different, was just very different. My brother is still a little salt, like I couldn't drink any liquid at all without having to rush to the bathroom. When I'm on the road, I have to be careful. I have to literally be thinking, alright, where's the closest bathroom? And that's how bad it was for me with the urination. My brother was really, reactive, and I have to get up a lot. But in the second trimester, that has calmed down a bit, but it's still there. So I still have to wake up in the night and go to the bathroom. I didn't have to do before. When I'm on the road, I have to use the bathroom again, which little things. So it's still there, but it's not as bad as the first trimester.
Yeah.
Which they say is normal.
And what I find with her now, she drink a lot more water than usual. Normally, me are the person when I drink a lot of water.
Man, that goes down the water and I'm all looking at him like, how can you drink that much?
Yeah, no, she drinking a lot of water and at night, she even have her cup with ice side of the bed, on the side table that she get that, So,
yes, true, man. I'm
she feel more, the more thirsty.
It's like my thirst can't quench. No matter how much water I drink, I'm still thirsty. So that's why I use ice, because ice helps to quench the thirst, keep me, you know, keep the thirst away for a longer period of time, and I don't drink as much liquid. You know, the more liquid I drink, the more bathroom calls out after me. So what I've noticed now since I'm in the second trimester is I'm having a bit more discomfort in the lower part of my body, like my hips and my lower back. Like when I'm sleeping at night, if I tell you, like I'm twisting and turning, I'm literally turning from side to side. I can't sleep on one side.
And she have the pillow between her legs, you know. I think no matter how good our posture is, she still complain about back pain. And it lasts throughout the day?
No, normally I think it happens mainly at night, but there are times when throughout the day I will feel discomfort. What I've had to start doing is start stretching a lot more. So I start doing my stretching exercises in the morning and in the night, and it helps. And the pillows, as Adrian mentioned, the pillows help at night as well. And where are my bone people? Like
bone a creak, you know.
Me I turn from time to time at that time, and you hear my hip out. I'm like, nah, what is?
Guys, let us know in the comments. Let us know in the comments, guys. I mean, the ladies who brought, you know, children before, you know. If you guys experience any of these things that you talk about, the back pains, the croaking joints, all them little things, the make you know, the thirst at night time, all of these things, you guys can let us know in the comments, you know.
And the next thing too,
also, can let us know how you guys combat these things.
swollen feet.
Yeah, man, our feet are, you know, a bit more swollen. And some shoes you complain them get tighter now.
Yeah, like my work shoes have to be, you know, I have to consider what I'm wearing to work now, because my foot them big people. The first time I saw it was actually my birthday weekend.
Yeah. Which is like probably a month ago, a little over a month now. Yeah, probably 5-6 weeks now.
So that's actually the first time I saw my foot swollen. I was like, oh my god, it's swollen already? I thought that would have happened like in the third trimester, but my foot actually swelling now.
Start swell up already.
So I have to be careful that I don't stand on my feet too much, because I don't want to stress and get varicose veins in my foot. So I'm trying to limit the amount of time that I spend standing, you know, mindful of that. And the next thing is kicking. So as I said before, in our pregnancy reveal video, we have a mover on our hands, alright? But I could not feel it. So when we went to our anomaly scan, so I remember the radiologist saying, you know, you don't feel that, are you feeling all this? And I'm like, no. And he's like, but look, I'm keeping the little scanner thing steady, like look, this, I'm not moving it. So you see, look at all the movement that's going on, and movement like crazy, you know. Like that's the baby moving. You don't see any of that. And I was there looking like, oh my God, should I be feeling all this? You know, but I wasn't feeling it at the time. That
because
was like,
you really never know what to feel for. Yeah.
So within the end of that week though, I started feeling stuff. So the first thing that I felt was one morning I went to the bathroom, and I was in front of the face, and I will just remember feeling this tap right below my navel, like this tap, like a double tap. I'm like, nobody touched me, and I know I felt that was a tap. Well, what was that? You know? So you know me run to Asia,
baby a yellow man.
You understand?
Baby a yellow. Move me there.
Everything. You know me running my practice to tell Adrian. And that was like the start of it. So after that, I started feeling many more taps. And then the taps turned into some booms, like, you know?
No, I can feel them. Whenever she feeling them, she put my hand on it. On her belly, and feel them, you know?
So within the other week, Adrian could feel, which was shocking. So within like the other week from our scan, Adrian could feel what's going on. And we have a mover, you know, especially when I lie on my back. When I lie on my back, you can feel like a lot of movement start happening. You know, I guess the baby saying, hey, don't stay there too long, you know? So
whenever she lie on her back, you get more active.
It's a lot more action. So what I realized too is that my face is now a bit rounder, and my nose is a bit
Bigger.
bigger.
Yeah.
You know, but so far I think that I've been having a good experience with this pregnancy.
Yes. Give thanks. Give thanks.
Yeah, nothing scary, nothing bad, no warnings, no cautions. I've been able to do everything that I used to do. We've been able to do a lot. We are still very active. So yeah, no complaints here, and I'm very grateful for that, because I know that pregnancy can be really hard on some persons. So
Yeah.
what we are both and hoping and praying for is a safe, smooth pregnancy, and of course safe delivery, easy delivery, Lord, one that is not painstaking. So guys, remember, I always say, notification bell.
Yes.
Right? Very important. You know everything that's going on. And keep up to date, because this is Adrian's weekend and we really enjoyed it. You enjoyed it?
Yeah man, definitely. Love the vibe.
I enjoyed
It's
it.
windy now, hopefully you don't hear much wind swirling in the camera, but yeah, I mean, nice windy day on the waterfront, you know?
Wanted to
We're
catch
enjoying.
the background.
Yeah.
Change our environment.
Yep.
But yeah guys, it was also good to
a
have
beer
you.
in coconut tree. See the coconut tree there? Yeah, coconut tree actually a beer. Yeah. Yeah man.
I want one of these at home.
Yeah. Yeah
So
guys.
Remember to subscribe.
Yes.
If you watch more than 3 hour video, subscribe.
Yeah.
Right? Give us a thumbs up and let us know, men, women, let us know your experience, because the man them not have experience too. Like what happened when your wife, your girlfriend was pregnant? Like let us know.
Yeah.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Yep. Bye. Peace out.
Bye.